We've got different loft wedges to do different things. The lower the loft, the lower the shot. This is a 50-degree wedge. Then you have 52-degree, 54-degree, 56-degree, and finally 60-degree.
If set up to the ball and it is square, then the ball will go about 60 degrees off the club face as soon as you hit it. There's three ways you can hit a shot. You can hit it square, you can hit it with a closed club face, and so it'll produce a lower trajectory, and with an open club face, which will produce a high trajectory. This is a standard chip. This is a lower chip. This is a higher chip with an open club face. In a bunker shot, you want to open the club face all the way, and so you turn about a 60-degree wedge into about an 80-degree wedge, which makes the ball go higher.
For your scorecard, they'll print the par for each hole. So on hole number 1, the par was 4, and we shot a 4. So that's an even par. But then on number 3, the par was 3, and we shot a 2. So that's 1 under par, or -1. And then on number 4, we shot a 5, but it was a par 4. So that's +1 on that hole. At the end, the total par for the 9 holes, and then you add and subtract for each hole. So that would be a 35, which is even par. And then after each 9 holes, you total your score up. The sum of all your scores on each hole is your total. Now we're going to demonstrate a hole. Number 2. This is a par 5 that's 490 yards. Par 5 means it's supposed to take 5 shots to get to the hole. Once again, I'll start with driver.
We hit our drive about 275 because we have about 225 yards left to the pin. This might help me get on an under regulation.
You know what's the big whoop when I play my game and then I make my mama proud.
Smash, bang, you gotta hit the ball and the crowd goes, then you hear the treat, treat. I want my birthdays all day long, let the bogeys go and say hey, you wanna play with the pros now?
You gotta hit it in the hole now.
You wanna reach that top, yeah? You gotta give it all you got.
A rangefinder lets you know how many yards you are from the pin and what club to hit. This hole's a par 3 that is playing 154 yards, so that means I should make it in the hole in 3 shots to get a par. There's wind into our face here, so I'm probably going to take about a 165-yard club and choke down on it about 1 inch, and then make a 3/4 swing instead of a full swing to play for the wind and hit a lower shot.
So now that we hit it in the water, we have to take a drop. To take a drop, we're going to take 2 club lengths away from the hazard, no closer to the hole, and then we'll add 1 stroke to our score after we count it up.
Ended up in the left rough, so now we have to hit a punch shot under that tree. And to do that, we're going to have to de-loft our club and make it have a low, and the ball's going to have a low trajectory. That was good.
Shot went in the green side rough. So I'm going to hit a 60-degree wedge, open the club face to add more spin since the slope of the green goes downhill.